We build machines, we build automation, we build the robotic cells. We quote those machines, we come up with concepts, we quote those concepts, we manufacture those machines, and then we assemble, debug, and run off those machines. That's truly what we do. It's a full experience right from start to finish.
It may sound a little silly, but I think we sell promotions and success to our customers. So what we strive to do is make them successful. And how do we do that? We're curious. We ask a lot of questions. We listen. We want to understand where our customers are coming from. And we want to learn about their industry and their business and their process. And we want to solve those problems together with them so that we can be their partner moving forward.
I think we look at ourselves here as problem solvers. I think our customers come with us with issues that they can't solve on their own, and they want to see us come up with a unique solution or come up with something else there that they haven't tried yet.
We become an extension of our customer to help them solve a problem or get them to the next level.
We like working with our customers to make their manufacturing processes quicker, more sustainable, easier. Mission exists to help our customers help the world.
Customers choose to work with Mission Design because they know we're going to be there with them and they can count on us to get the project done.
Our customers choose to work with Mission because they're looking for someone that can be innovative and help them with streamlining their manufacturing process.
We're creative. We're great at solving problems, and we're good thinkers. We attack a problem and enjoy solving it.
Our customers choose to work with Mission because they have confidence in the team. They know they'll be taken care of.
I believe we have a very strong engineering group here that can give them concepts, simulations, a lot of different tools, I think, to help build confidence in them and separate us a little bit from maybe the integrators who don't have those capabilities.
The strengths of Mission Design are caring about our customer and hearing their real problems and delivering a solution to them on time and under budget.
We have great people here that really dive into the work and really are customer-centric and want to focus on making our customers successful.
It's more of a one-on-one relationship we have with customers. So I think that's a big difference between us and some of our larger competitors.
We can give you all of the technical expertise and all of the bells and whistles, so to speak, that a large integrator might be able to give you, but we don't lose sight of who we are and where we've came from, and really the personal touch that we like to give our customers, right? We like to show them that we listen to them, that we care about their issues and why they're here, and we want to work with them and really give them the best possible solution.
It's really exciting to see where Mission is going because we are a smaller company than some of the integrators out there. We have a really big vision for where we're going and the team behind it to make that happen.
It's great to see a lot of the culture shift towards more creative and diversified thinking. It's going to be a great time to see where we end up.
Knowing that we've got a large scope ahead of us with many different industries that we can supply. We look at who our core customers are right now, as well as what the future holds with different industries and different technologies.
We're really taking what works well and integrating that into the organization as we grow and using that to leverage probably the best customer experience that we can give to the people that we work with.
What's exciting about where Mission is going is we're going to lead the future in automation from here on.